Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Well. Blessed love, God. Blessed love. You know the thing goes already. We're here in Trenchtown where the journey continues. And we were going to leave from, to head up to see, to give Cranberry from the donation that I meant to give them from Dana D, So today I'm not making that mistake. I make sure I take it up. I make sure I put it in my bag and I'm ready to flow with that. But before I go, I'm just going to hand in 1 and 2 donation here first in Trenchtown and then head up there after. So Jenna! I have a donation for you as well. Come on, I have a donation for you. So there with Jenna, we have Boom, we have Rasta Jacks now, we have 30 grand. So Jenna, we have $4,000 here for you from Lucky Star from New York.
Lucky Star.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Lucky Star. The good Lord bless you and keep us safe. Never basket, never empty. Dream team, one team.
Yeah.
Love and love one. Yeah.
Alright, so we give thanks to Lucky Star from New York twice. Not once. Twice. I'm gonna check Patrick and the move. Jack's gonna check. Then 2 donation. Yeah, so we also have 2 donations for Patrick. So that's who I'm gonna head to see if he's over there. Hopefully he's about, because sometimes he goes to the mosque as well because he's a Muslim. So yes, we have Muslim here in Jamaica. Yeah, so yes, so maybe he's going to hopefully get down to the mosque. So he's about, so I can, give him this donation. Rolling through the trenches. Where the board house and the zinc fences in Trenchtown. Rolling through the trenches, where's the boat house and the zinc fences.
Patrick!
Oh, it's there. I mean them, but I don't see them.
Patrick!
Patrick! Police! Open up! Here we got Noonie. So on the way, dry right up on the tree. Yeah, that now you make it drain. Yeah.
So we get that right in my house line up, so we will fall away. You up a Cranberry. You love what's dumpling? Boy, big and Ricky. Why now I'm trying now? What you want not to bleed? Pickaxe it. Can I father?
Alright.
Man said, why? A curry chicken and sliced fish.
Yeah.
Man, go with some things.
Patrick, how is everything?
Give it thanks. God thanks and praise.
Yeah, every time.
Brother. I have to give God thanks and praise.
I thought you got master. Hopefully I come see you.
No. Me there, man. So make it the place chop up for them up here. I'm run from round there, so.
Okay.
Come right round. And then place chop out.
Yeah.
Picking up. What do you? What do you eat? I go back. And I sit down. I couldn't stand up. Can't more long made too long.
Yeah.
You feel I made it hurt me, it's like the blood pressure I got to made. So myself, one cake, I'll take my time and chop it out and clean it up, you know. But I can't, nobody for do this. Second, the first part did hard. I have to pay somebody, but the second part I did myself, you see?
Okay. Yeah, good.
I sit down and treat.
Oh, so we have pressure?
Yeah. Anytime all of me too long,
Yeah.
maybe it hurt me, you know, like the blood pressure.
Oh.
You know?
So when you take pressure pill and something?
Yeah, if you take pressure pill, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, and oh, me know, you know, I went, me to take operation. Me to get the operation.
Yeah.
But me in the theater, them couldn't operate for me same time.
Oh, catch you have the pressure.
Yeah, them have them put something like a meter.
Yeah.
I watch till my blood pressure drop right down.
Right down.
Operate for me, you know.
Yeah.
And I tell them, say, no, me not put me sleep because the last time the doctor did take long to wake up.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Operation?
Yes, the operation, and they put me to sleep.
Yeah.
It take long to wake up, so they tell say not put me to sleep. Camera must wake up back.
Yeah. So them do them numb you?
Yeah, then just numb my body and just operate for me, you know.
So you wake when that are going?
Me swear about, we swear about though. It's horrible.
Terrible. But anyway, you know, pass me a two donation for you. I hope I come the right time.
Yes, you always come the right time. Because I'm broke, I'm not money.
Yeah. So I always glad I come the right time, you know. So I have a donation here for you from Miss Brown from New York. So Miss Brown from New York sent 7,500 here for you. You know, from Miss Brown from New York.
My name Sake.
Are your name Sake?
Yes, my name Brown too.
Okay.
Yes. Miss Brown, thank you very much, Miss Brown. Thank you very much for this, Miss Brown.
Yeah.
And my name Brown too as well. My
Okay.
name Ralph Brown.
So Brown to Brown.
Yes. Thank you very much, Miss Brown, and God bless you. And I ask God for God and protect you. And make you successful in your work with or your business with you do. And make life easy for you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for this, Miss Brown.
7,500 from
Yes.
Miss Brown
Yes.
from New York.
Thank
so,
you.
we have another donation as well too from Dana D, as well too from New Jersey. You know, this is Dana D, and this is $6,000 a year for you from Dana D from
Dana.
New Jersey.
Dana D, thank you very much. Dana D,
Yeah.
God bless you. And may I ask God to guide and protect you and make life easy for you.
Yeah.
And grant you paradise. And make you successful in your work you do and business you do. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And God bless Dream Team and Kino and the rest set center them. We call it
Extended family.
extended family.
Yeah.
God bless you. God bless you all around.
Yeah.
All if you do them send to me, God said to somebody else, God bless you. Same way.
Same way.
I want to help other people, I want to help me. God bless you.
Yeah.
God bless you and thank you very much. Miss Brown, and thank you very
Dana
much.
D.
Dana D.
Yeah.
God bless you, Dana D. And my name is Miss Brown.
Yeah.
Thank you very much to my heart. My thank you. God bless you.
Alright then, so give thanks. So big up yourself. So
Yes,
we catch up,
simply.
yeah?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
man. so we give thanks to Dana D. Thank you so much, Dana D. And also Miss Brown as well for blessing Patrick as well too. You know, we thank you so much. So we're gonna head out right now. We're gonna head out right now. Yo. It's an active day today on the river. Everyone is out. A lot of cars is here. People is out. The music is loud as well on the river, so I'm gonna cut out that part. You're gonna hear some instrumentals along the way when you reach closer to the river.
You want to run, come the boat.
I look at which way boom gone. Yeah. Yesterday we finished this in Angela. We finished it. Yeah, and Jackson then come finish it yesterday. Yeah. Finish off now. Yeah. So guys, so here's the pit, well sealed off now. Well sealed. Let's at the event.
Yeah. I get jackfruit, yeah?
This one cover, you know.
This one cover, I'm taking my foot something over it.
Yeah, just in case. You know, people are starting.
Yeah, I'm looking right.
Firm, I know.
Jackfruit.
Dog, them that must leave them mark on it.
You see there?
I was here.
I was here.
Yeah.
One food.
That's it.
Set down below.
Alright guys, as you can see, the pit is complete. You know, the pit is complete. So you know, once that's complete, that's the big major part, you know, for the dad. So once that's out the way, everything is good, you know. Oh, Sharon go, look, Sharon. Yeah, pick them up. Big up the command crew.
Big up the command crew. Christine, Gandhi,
Yeah.
Nicky, Finey, Wandan, Finey of Narisa Lion, and Mona Command. Nicola Reed from Mona Command. Christine has the baddest thing. Gandhi,
Yeah.
real big up thing.
Real good.
Yeah.
What's your name? Finey?
Finey,
You run gone. How was she name?
Nicky, we want the help. Nicky, we want the help.
Yeah. Big up Nicky, big up yourself. Man. Yeah. Fine. So we are fine here. Fine, no fine, she thick man.
Yeah, thick.
So them call you fine here, you thick. Oh, she the fine. She get thick. Okay. Big up yourself, fine.
No bread alive, girl.
I wish I did fine. Deal with that. I wish I talk about. I wish I talk about fine.
Mama, no.
Mama. Deal with that, Mama.
Take it off of me, charge.
Yeah. Alright then, so look a bit. Now circle come on one them time. Come on, come circle look about the way at time. You say my dwarf, right? And my 8.
I'm a dancer.
I'm a dancer.
Yeah, man, just do the interview. Don't put it on share.
My dancer.
Yeah. We're going to go circle and showcase him to the world. I'm talented, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? So I have to do that one time.
Education too.
Yeah. Alright. One common crew.
Right.
And I'm going to come on ourselves.
Yeah.
One common. Alright then, yeah? Finey. I'm going to start calling it tick. Ticky.
Yeah.
Yeah? Because you're not fine anymore, you know. No, you're tick, right?
Yeah, ticky. Tiki.
Tick, alright, tick mama. Yeah. Whoa. Come here. The girl said, what would the fans hide somewhere else? You know what I'm saying? What was say? What was say? Nah, really look still, but my eye dead still. Yeah. Oh, you seen 30 grand? Yeah, man. The girl said, "Me see her look." Yeah. The girl said, "Me see her look pan it, you know." Yeah, no, I'm not really look pan it, but my eye dead still. Worship at somewhere else, you know. Chef on the swimwear and worship eye somewhere else. You know, and the lady say, "Yo, me see her look, you know, but you know, no, I'm not really look still, no, but my eye dead still." Whoa. I thought these are the ladies from Common. So that lady, that she have a son where he's 8 years old, you know, but he's a dwarf, you know. He's also a young dancer, you know, but he's a dwarf. He's very, very short. But he's 8 years old. So I'm going to see what Cranberry them are going with now. What should that gets off?
This, yeah.
Water now? Or ice in I see me? Pardon me. It's the ice in it still. Yeah. Oh, my cane juice. Oh. This is my cane juice. Yeah. So when you stretch, I saw Max used to stretch, you know. Tara. Charge. What's up, Tara? High five. High five. You do some work? Some work you do? Oh.
They're done.
Just off yourself. Oh, can you show the here? So a knife, eh? Okay. I'll say I want more cement for this one.
Yeah, 8 minutes to get around the stuff.
Oh.
Move for your face, I can't see all my job.
What's so much water dash, right?
What's so much water dash? What's going on?
A cranberry.
The cranberry? What should do? Cranberry. Oh, you're clean. Oh.
This is good. Nah, don't go back inside. I'm telling you already. Nah, yeah.
Your mommy going on the road?
No, she got a auntie.
Oh, you're going to your auntie.
Like the fear auntie.
Oh, so you take charge.
Can't take it.
Are you around the house?
Nah, your mama say you come for those wipe out back the room. From mom wipe out the room and put them 3 back over again.
Oh, Nana?
She said one.
Step there like funny.
And you said one. No.
Nana? And Nana did it? Nana? Nana?
Oh, mother, they wipe up the room.
She not come. You know why I bring back some of them, let me tell you. Some of them, Kid, I'm going to tell you yesterday, I said I bring him back where you say? Yesterday, 3 never there. I'll boom get some beaten for them, 4 then go, the whole of them want to know what the fuck come.
I said I'm not bring him back.
Don't bring him back.
I'm bring back Jackson.
Bring him back. Up on bed, man. I come out.
No, come off of the bed. Come out
Here.
here. Come out here, Nana. Come out here.
Watch your foot. Your foot dirty. When mommy comes, she goes say, I can smell bleach in the house.
Yeah, I smell the bleach.
I use bleach in my room. My room wipe out first and then the room I don't know for long time. Then if it now when come to fly, my fly right now come to the bleach. The bleach make the whole of them.
How is your foot? Foot alright?
Last night it a bleed.
The bleed last night?
Where you there? Whole of the ground you blood up in her. My blood thick.
Yeah, your mother sent me the picture. Your blood thick. Actually, you're blacker.
No, Kina, look. She tell me say I have to take off something and then wet up my foot.
Are you take it off?
No, look. I'm going to swim now.
Are you
What she do? What happened?
I was a focus.
Well, last night?
No, this morning.
Oh, this morning.
And then I went to and then she said, Mama was sick. Oh, she would take off or something there for
The
Look
band-aid?
here, don't have to change. Don't Kina, look here. If I show you something, I'm dust dash down. Oh, you something blood up, so I want to dust change something. I something can't stay from my foot long. So I have to wait till my mother come, she put it on. But she
and
have
it
said,
says, I will wait there for me.
Mr. Kina, you can't bring one to me.
Big one for you?
Yes.
And your boss said bitter?
No, my mom still drink it.
Of course you do.
She said, if we don't tell her, say bring it, I'm going to take it every day like
So basically, guys, you know, Cranberry cut her feet, you know, as you mentioned, and the bully beef thin. This way? Sit down yourself. Yeah, so she cut her feet and the bully beef thin.
She said last night, she was going to stamp my foot. She said something start bleed a hot skin. Look at it never looks so. See that? 1, 2, 3. When you start my foot, I can start back bleed.
Yeah, so basically she cut her foot and the bully beef thin, but it's alright now. I don't think it's going to bleed anymore. Yeah, I think it's alright now, so.
I think she dropped something I eat, and that make it start bleeding out.
Oh,
I'm sure there's so much put in there, man.
I know.
See that though? See that?
I know the thing for Georgie. No, not that one.
Another.
No, that one.
Yeah, see me I said,
Put on that one there, but
look, him have the small one. This are 4.
I thought you put in your mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then tongue. That's not that one then, it's a must
Small one, me I talk to you.
Yeah.
Check in like green. Me say you can't see something like here. See that?
Okay,
in a
Tara.
drive. Can you see in a drive up here?
High five. I'm drinking cane juice. Let me drink my cane juice. So this is my cane juice. Nice. You ever drink cane juice? Oh, you eat cane, right? Yeah, so this is the juice from the cane. So this is the juice from the cane.
They might have chicken pie.
Yeah.
Oh, Kina.
It's not there?
We'll get the other pie.
Okay. Over there.
Over there?
Over there, we father got this morning and find it. And say, why you have to see it. See that? You see that picking for it? Smell that? Right, man, you want a piece of this right now, though?
So that one already before my pie?
No, I'm not new. Look, not in the bush. And
No, before it.
this are wet name, the sugar pine.
But that one that also sugar pine too?
Yeah, no, that
Before the one they plant before it.
this
This plant before?
Yeah, that's why this beer.
Oh.
If Jackson them see this, they want to keep it.
Charge it. The pine plant before that one there on the sun?
Yeah.
Yeah,
See it?
A big man was over the side there. Yeah, and I didn't be a bush and sit.
Right, quick.
And I want to come out so little.
Oh.
See that, me tell you.
Long time and then.
Oh.
Like you should have time and do that then and that's gonna.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, no. You want to take with the pine and the other day?
I'm sure you have to tamp it out.
I can't pull out. See that? You see that?
Another.
Let me check my pine as I see. Oh, it not change yet.
It's not change. It's too change. I think you're one big and full. Watch it.
Yeah.
Look there. It's too ripe. You saw it at Ben?
Yeah.
One ripe.
Your wicked nana don't provoke you know. So that one day to bust up there so like the scenario.
Yeah.
How you get two?
It takes so long to change.
Yes, we get it, man. And this will forgive and make a big one. I say I can't where you there this morning when we are pick mango.
Off this tree again?
That you know how much in our house?
Oh, Blackie?
Yeah, some of them soft and some tough, some still eat them. I left some.
When you shake the tree?
Seal him them something with the
That's when you shake the tree.
I say Kina, everybody ask me, how you skank so good girl? Let's all go shop. You can't hear them on the house top of boom.
You tell them say you're a big chef. You cook your own food.
You can't take care of that. Ah, girl, go put back that no man. Go put back it for you.
We are the board.
No.
Akina for bed peeling.
That look like you don't want to ripe some more. I want to search still.
See that?
We are looking for
trees. One tree there's a two. Over there's a two. Like I just ain't getting.
So wait, so your mom she's not coming back for now?
You have to call. You can call her and ask her if you're on her way. You see Paul where does come from?
Come on?
No.
Sandpipe?
No. You see what I got with them there?
Oh, don't you saw them Abina?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can call her and ask her if she come and she say.
We don't call her auntie.
That's Abina?
Yeah.
Oh, then Abina she gone. I'm just passed down there.
She not have a phone.
She not have a phone?
Abina, we have to call.
Oh.
We have to call.
Hold on.
Ouch.
Oh, more on the car. Liquor Miss and Liquor Man.
Hey, send Nana.
Them up there?
Yeah. Them just stand. Hey, send Nana.
I'm not for call them. I just go up there and give them the donation. Have a donation for them as well.
Them time the Jason have one time I know. She get money and now I'm going to take her money to shop. I ain't the money for her sister.
Come follow me go up there. I give them a donation and come back. So yes guys, so I also have donation for Liquor Man and Liquor Miss also. So I guess I'm gonna go up there first and just give them
then come back.
and then come down. So I'm gonna give them
That's
there.
easy.
So I can do that and come back.
Daddy.
Come. Get up there, man.
Nana, see this stuff.
Oh.
Yeah.
Come. You have to come after that.
Come for us, Daddy. Daddy.
Me call Bina man, I'm ready. Let me have her number. You not cut it up. Yeah, we check when I put on. Can't cut up and leave my piece, man.
And you know, guys, call and tell them I'm going to phone and phone. Woman, chunky bag and things are there when you look at me too much.
Yeah.
Too much, man. How close back out to the wall they were caught from people.
I feel you want that. She said she'll come. Alright. She said she's coming by now. We know.
Yeah.
Too much.
What you daddy? Daddy? Then she said to call Kevin. Watch you again. Everybody does a call.
George, may I get look man look a donation and come back.
By the time I come back, Kenny shall come.
She never have a day here. There's some places she never have a day here.
Say that bring me next time. I'll beat time.
Everybody want beat.
What? Like what do you? She said she'll beat me. I can't beat me.
Everybody show am be. Now what go up as a jella? Up as a up a little bit now.
Tyra, stop! No, me not laughing now.
Yeah, you have to watch your walk, you know. Or else it dry. Step sideways, yeah.
See pipe, yeah. She better not make shit up right now.
You laugh.
Me laugh.
You know walk on the slide. So you laugh.
The same thing that I say, mommy, uncle, a call.
Jella, your boss. Up a little bit more. No, no, hold it more walk. Jella, calm man, she ill. Woo. See the view there now, Jella. See the view. The view and the view. Let's have a little bit more. Jella, you have to go stand up yesterday because we'll go right now to bend there. So you have to walk up no more hill.
She's not tired, she can't come. She can't come.
Oh, she tired already.
Tired already?
She boss.
Oh, tired. What? You know what Natalie there?
Alright, Jella boss already. Yeah. Coming up them either.
Okay, came.
Yes.
Buma?
Buma's yard. The little boy where you see where you know.
Oh, come in have 2,000 each for them.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's how they come. Alright, so.
Eh? Yes, you can give. Mama see the key. One big one, new big one.
Alright, so I'll give make a collect little man one then for
I
him.
just take it. And if I'm here not living I give you no one make him stay.
No, I play the man.
Nobody stay like you.
That is stuffy.
Go.
So more buy ice cream to that.
So you're a problem. Alright, so we have 2,000 each for the twin, Little Man and Little Miss. Right, so Little Man is not here, guys. So we'll make it, his mom is going to receive his for him. You know, I know where him gone. Them gone with like a playground or something.
Yeah, friendly girl.
Play football, oh, gonna play football. Best of football him gonna play. That man love football.
Up at the black
football, Little Man gonna play. I can bet you that.
Duh, oh you know.
Alright, so this is $2,000 a year for Little Man, you know, from Dana D. So you can just tell Dana D thanks on behalf for your son.
Thanks Dana D. $2,000 for
Little Man. Little Man. So
thank you very much.
Yes. So you can see the resemblance, you know, see the Miss there, and you see there where she gets it from. Alright, so we have another $2,000 a year for Little Miss from Dana D from New Jersey. Yeah.
Thank you, Dana D, for the 2,000 from New Jersey.
Okay. I'm here so you pass. For Papi. Oh, so I'm the Little Man. You take him as well too?
Yeah, man, I see him.
Papi. Oh, the twin them.
I'm best friend.
I'm best friend too. So the twin them now leave each other at all. The twin them ain't leaving each other at all. Congratulations, because you're doing a good job, you know? Yeah, man. Just continue and look out for them, see me, you know? See me, yeah. Alright, so.
I see you.
So we are going to go get on the phone or one now. So when you get phone, you can go buy ice cream. You spend too much.
What, 24?
Yeah.
Jamaica. We're gonna get a one there.
You right?
So this is the ice cream lady. Fudgy. Fudgy. Then we'll keep the link here.
Me have credit. See that ring.
Who you call?
Yeah, show me a phone so we think I can show you, mommy.
Oh, what you take? Set up on our bill. Go on. Later, yeah?
Yeah, call you. Look by your phone, Taryn. That through me right now, that could have been. My mother won't call and can't. Yes, Kina.
Cranberry, why your clothes dirty, so miss?
Kina, remember saying I work.
Yeah, work.
Then I put that up early in the morning. Go wash mat. Then wipe our room, spread bed. Wipe on the stove. Then go fry chicken.
Move from your son.
Go fry sausage.
Go down. So sausage, so we have to chicken.
Then I'm get uncle just give me.
Yeah, fried chicken.
Ask me, you never see a fried chicken yet. Which one you see a fried chicken? Where I see a fried chicken, Cranberry?
Which one?
Exactly. Tell her again, Nana. Nana, tell her she a liar. I mean, Nana.
She fried chicken?
No, see Nana said no. Cranberry. Nana, you're a liar. You fried the chicken. White nose.
Yeah.
That's a good exercise, boy. Cranberry can come in. Touch me that clean. You say enter. You guys, Cranberry clean. Serge, you say you take this up last night?
Yeah.
Go on.
The cola, yeah. Last time we took it.
Okay. So you sent it to the battalion already?
And I lately since the idea to, you know.
Yeah. Because you take it late then.
Yeah.
Can't imagine. Yeah, that's why, man. It's flush you out. I wish you want them.
To my aunt. Them are my cousin.
Cranberry, give one biscuit.
Okay.
Oh, daddy. They will kill my mother. Our uncle. So, see
Grab
that?
one. I have a donation for you as well to Papi, so now let's go now. Oh, you put the biscuit and everything down on the barrel and hide it from them charging. But them still can't reach now that, man.
What? Like you take in, see them not done.
Them still are going to reach now that.
You don't want Tyra?
Big foot. Because them have the bucket to stand up on.
No, we never stop on a bucket.
You can't reach in the same way.
Watch out. They must have me tall and nana. Tired them and hurt and thing there.
Alright, so. Toko, stop that Toko. No, Cranberry. Toko, turn down now.
When I see a sugar pie in them, I go through that, then I saw that we
come on, smile. It come out small. Oh, no, come out small. Alright, there is some the charge for the kids them as well too. So me have from Dana D from New Jersey. Charge me have $10,000 a year for you from Dana D from New Jersey. Sorry. From Dana D from New Jersey.
Dana D from New Jersey. Only for thanks man and only for blessing man. And more blessing and honor man. Only for thanks man. Only for thanks.
Yeah. Talk about it, barley.
Talk about.
And I buy sugar?
Come all time.
Talk a rude, you know? So. Alright, so me have for the kids them as well too. One for Nana, one for Tara, one for Cranberry, and one for Toko. Right. So Tara, come for your money. Come Tara. Come Tara. So Tara, I got $2,000 for you from Dana D. So you're gonna thank Dana D, okay? Here's your $2,000.
Thank you from Dana D. I like your food basket never empty.
Alright. Hold on, Panda one there quick. Don't be tired. And for Nana as well too. Here Nana, one for you from Dana D from New Jersey. $2,000.
Thank you, Dana D from New Jersey. I make a food basket never run dry.
Alright, so a Toko there, call Toko.
I'm Cranberry.
Toko. Come here, man.
Here Toko, I got $2,000 for you.
Hey, shit, never said
But that's a minute. Toko, here. $2,000 here for you from Dana D. Here.
Thank you for loving me. I know my food basket never empty.
So yeah, cry for you not get no snacks. Yeah. Toko, one time she not get anything she like for cry.
Yeah, I get heat for that style. You know,
Yeah.
my style actually work with that.
Cause if you have to cut that out there, you know. This boy, come Cranberry, this is for you now. The old soul. Son of prayer, this is the old soul. So we have $5,000 here for you. Here.
Watch out. You see same thing on my auntie. Ring it.
Focus.
No,
Focus.
can't see that.
Put on the
It's
phone.
a ring,
Put on
daddy.
the phone.
Don't turn it on, daddy.
Put on the phone. Relax. Focus. Pay attention. See? Pay attention. This direction. Stop worrying about the phone. So this is $5,000 here for you.
Yes.
From Dana D. So I hope you hear what I'm saying. You're gonna thank Dana D from New Jersey.
Dana D. What is it?
See, I tell you, say, focus.
Dana D from New Jersey.
Dana D from New Jersey. Thank you so much. I make a full basket never empty.
Okay. Alright. So. Yeah, so we give thanks to Dana D from New Jersey. You know, we thank you so much for the donation for the father and the kids them. You know, we thank you so much. And also for little man and little miss. You know, we thank you so much for the blessings, you know. You know, the blessings go a long way. So we give thanks every time. So yes, so the daddy is taking the supplement them from you put the supplement in the cut as well too?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is how we gotta take as well to a morning time now, yeah?
9 in the morning.
Yeah. And the next one you take it in the morning only, the blood purifier. You have that one there already, right? And the medicine is the thing for the cut. You just drip it in. Or you can just ease that off that and just put some in the one. Yeah, and then you can just cover it back. That will help heal it up. You just drink the tea, you know, and everything. So you still use the eye drops?
Yeah, man.
How the eye drops feel?
I tell you one thing, I wipe out me. Look at yellow thing,
come out.
full of ever full of mud, but look at like cold,
yeah.
look at yellow, yeah.
Come on.
I use all the marina wipe it out, can say some heat, some cool,
so
like
come like
cold,
long neck,
so look at yellow, so look at yellow, yeah.
See? A whole pass it in the same, no? So that will the eye drops to clear it out.
Yeah, because one side make it full of matter.
Yeah.
Make it full of matter.
It clear out everything
yeah,
out there,
wipe out the eye. When I see the heat, when I see it, yeah, when I see it out there, they look at yellow like cold.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that clear out one. So one of the eye more damage than one then.
Yeah.
That's right.
Matter more to come out of that one.
Yeah.
Yellow coalish like a come out.
So I come like so I go to the cool and blue cool when I
yeah, that man.
Get a clear back, because your eye look brighter now
look
to
brighter,
me.
yeah, because I'm not telling you, the one of me, the one has to clear out there, yeah.
That's the clear out there now?
Yeah, out of that one, yeah. But that one has still give me the little flaring.
Yeah, because other one they say like
yeah, that one,
the yellow thing will come out there.
This.
So that means that you don't want them more damage more.
Yeah, because I better so I cannot see so.
So with taking the eye drops and the one for the mouth, you take as well to for the mouth, two of them to help clear up everything. Can you take that one, the next one there as well too?
The one for you know.
Yeah, so you take that one as well too?
No, we know, so I'm not take that one then.
Yeah man, you can't even take it now. Wait, the pass it and show you. Because that one had the inside one.
No.
You take it too?
No,
Oh yeah, you not taste bitter.
Weird.
Yeah, that one here for the inside. Yeah, so two of the drop full. You just make that one full, you just drop it under the tongue. Squeeze it under the tongue. And another one as well too. Yeah, so you take this daily, you know?
Daily.
Yeah. As I said, them things every work better until you take them for empty stomach as well. So it's the first thing I go in, so it work quicker. Yeah, so that's why them always recommend you to take these things on empty stomach. So through the first thing, so it's quick for absorbing in your body quicker than anything else. That's the reason why they recommend it on empty stomach.
Well, the eye drops are just night alone, me use the eye drops.
Night and day, man.
Night and day?
Yeah, if you want night and day, man.
You can't do a night alone.
Yeah, you can take it for another day when you get the pay, just put some in it, you see me? And then when you get your bed, just drop the rest inside of it. You know, like that. As I say, you see improvement, so that means the things them are work.
Yeah.
You know, and the circulation, you take this a night as well too, and morning, you know? Yeah, with this, you have the measurement cup from the gate right here. And you take the purifier already this morning? The blood purifier?
No, I'm not take it yet, you know.
Okay. So you have to take that one there as well too.
Tonight, I start taking them too.
Yeah. Purifier like every morning you take the purifier. Yeah. That at night and morning. You see me?
Yeah,
so
I take the thing last night.
Yeah. Yeah, it don't really matter because everything complement each other. That's it. Everything complement. Nothing deflect, nothing. So the more the whole them combine together, I want big flush I get and clear out same way. You see me? So I say you can take that tonight same way, you know, and then at the morning now you take the same one with the purifier. Every morning let's do that. The first thing I eat. You see me? As I say it I got bitter, but that's how the blood wants. You see me I say? That's how the blood wants. So every morning I take my one them same, you know, and then I feed pan non-stop, you know. Right now, touch it. Yeah man, Cranberry, so now all set. So Papi, so you say now you go and take a little time?
Yeah, I'm going to match it up. So I'm going to come back here now the kitchen.
Yeah. Cause definitely, can you say that paint and everything?
Yeah man, some boy about the next purple again to do back over the kitchen. Cause remember I take I prefer me put out a sign of same way.
Yeah.
Just run back.
So you see the painting as well too? Yeah. So we want make sure say you have enough paint. So but we want to come help you with the painting. So the one will the day will come just help paint off everything. You see me? So the painting will be the last thing. So after the painting done, they will know so we can get the stuff them to come in. So we want the painting make the painting. Make the painting be the last thing, you see me, after everything of fix and pitch and patch, you see me. So we're gonna make you know which day you see me will come up here and see where we can come rectify and help out. Yeah. Because my uncle that say yes, so you want to put the next level here, so. Yeah, another step. I'm saying I'm going to put the next step and come right here. So. Yeah, because just one eye from the step up. So I put another one there as well too. So, yeah man. So, I'm glad we get the pit out the way.
Yeah.
From that get out the way, man, that's it. So everything else can go and dip and back. So you don't have to worry about that car, boy.
So I go and do that little flashing and that.
Yeah. So, boy, if we don't really wait on charge if we do that pit there, we never know. It's going to take a while for him alone, guys, and because doing it now, we know that yes, him alone could do it because it's injury. Yeah. Well, guys, I'm saying we give thanks, you know. So don't worry, guys, everything is complete, you know. So let's give a little time and go and help out the same way, you know. Give the strength where the strength is needed. Yeah. Is out. On the right, yeah. I go down so I go on. I'll try to go on and I go and relax a little. Bye bye, Cranberry. High five, Tara. High five, Tucker. Nana. Nana. Cranberry. Come here. You look like you're lost. What is the problem now? Should I say I'm going? Should I say I'm going vex? Guys, should I go with Cranberry vex? You know I'm going. You know? This now I'm going to my yard. Oh, she have to cry first. When I just get that away, like if you cry first, if you cry, you stay. If you don't cry, now you go. Don't say, I water. Yeah, I mean, you're going then, yeah, no, I'm going to leave, you know. High five. Now give me a high five too. You forgive me it, miss. Come down, my drop as well. Come down.
Who want to follow me?
You want me? No, why you follow me? No, why you follow me? You want to follow me? No. Why you follow me? When I'm ready, I'm going to sit down and boom and go and listen to the river.
That didn't say.
Yeah, that I'm going to listen to the river a bit. Feel the river breeze, the river energy. Right? Cranberry, so she want chicken, so she get chicken. Feel the river energy. I don't know, miss. Where do you put the money? Where you put your money? Oh, Tara, where you put your money, Tara? Tara, where you put your money? Where's your money, Tara? Eh? Yeah, she said, I draw. Where is it?
Yes.
The drum? You know, catch water? Can't frighten me. I'm done say around this here gone.
Oh, you know that.
Come on, see. Yeah. Cranberry can't frighten me. I'll catch your water. Half it. Yes! Your mother there. Can I manage? Granted. You see if you can manage. Make your mother food then, shall I food? Yeah, the bag, you don't have the bag there now. How much you put it? She not have the money. Alright guys, so you know the thing goes already, so I'm gonna leave now. You know, it's my time to head out, you know, so the mom just came, you know, when I'm going, so I already give them the donation. Kenisha, I give them $2,000 each. Nana get 2,000, Tara get 2,000, Toga get 2,000, and Cranberry get 5,000. Yeah? Well, I go in there, I go in now. Yeah. I'm going to sit down and boom my first year, bid.
Go and let me something. I think I did something.
Yeah. Alright, so later. We're going next side.
Where the road there, chat to her? The parrot.
Man, we never say nothing. You kill me there. Oh, you know that one is Esther? Esther, I promise.
Esther, now I want to see you.
What? Then you come back? And that's the little Cranberry. And when Esther come. When I'm not Cranberry, then there. Well, I'm not see them. Watch it. I say a question.
Alright guys, I'm not lie, I was chilling next to the river. And it's like I wanna fall asleep. You know? I was literally just there sitting down where the seated area is. And trust me, I'm getting tired, wanna sleep. You know, because the river, it's just a vibe. I feel like I wanna just take a sleep right there and then. Just imagine that. Wow. Imagine me while I sleep right there. Come to high five.
Every time we clean the cell, I say, nah, bring my bed. Say, I laugh. Clean all laugh. Don't go to my side. The boy play the song.
Later.
Come brother, I want
Bad talk up.
Come here.
Safe your name.
Yeah, later.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Tara. Yeah.
You can't. I'll tell you that you're new.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.